So this is my presentation about self-directed learning. My name is Leon. My topic is about Power Pages administration. I will talk about how I learned to manage a website by myself. I will show you the tools and the settings I studied. I use a website called Microsoft Learning. You can see my account here. I use this site because it can let me learn at my own speed. I can spend 15 minutes or 1 hour every day. I am learning about cloud and web apps. The main course I studied is Power Pages Administration. It is an intermediate course. This module teaches how to use the admin center. My goal was to learn four things: site lifecycle, SSL certificate, custom domains, and security setting. These are all important for managing a website. There are three main tools for this work. First is the Design Studio for basic setting. Second is the Admin Center for network setting. Third is the Portal Management apps for data setting. In my self-study, I learned that you must use all three tools to manage a site correctly. The Design Studio is the first tool. I use the Setup workspace. Here I can see the site name and the URL. I can also set up authentication. This means I can choose how people log in this site. It is a simple tool for daily work. There is also a link to the Advanced Admin Center. The second tool is the Admin Center. This is for advanced work. I learned how to manage network and security here. You can set up IP restrictions. This means you can block some people from see the site. You can also turn on CDN and WAF to make the site faster and safer. The third tool is the Portal Management app. This is a model-driven app. It shows the website information as a list of data. I can change page templates and site setting here. This tool is very powerful for professional administrators. It shows the details of the domain and site state. Now I will talk about the life cycle. This is the process of a website. It starts from a trial site and goes to production site. I study how to create, convert, and delete this site. It is a very important part of website management. Every site starts as a 30 days trial. If the trial ends, the site is suspended. This means no one can see it. After 7 more days, the site is deleted. I learned how to check the status in the admin center. You must change the site to production mode if you want to keep it forever. Website visibility is about who can see the site. A private site is only for people you choose. This is good when you are still building the site. A public site is for everyone on the internet. You can change this setting anytime in the admin center. Sometimes you need to fix the site, then you use maintenance mode. When this is on, users see a message that says the site is being fixed. They cannot see any other pages. This is professional. It is better than showing a broken page or an error. Administrators must set up several features. One is the network, like the URL and custom domains. Two is securities, like keys and certificates. Third is performance, like CDN. My study covered all these parts to make sure the website runs well and stays safe. To use a custom domain, you need three things first. You need an SSL certificate in PFX format. It must be from a trusted authority. Second, you need to change your DNS setting. You need a CNAME record. Third, the site must be in production mode. You cannot do this with a trial site. In summary, I learned about the domain admin center and its tools. I learned about SSL certificates and custom domains. I also learned about the site life cycle and security features. These are basic skills for a Power Page administrator. This self-directed learning was very useful for me. This is the end of my presentation. I have learned a lot about web programming and administration through Microsoft Learn. I'm ready to use this skill for my project. Thank you for listening.